This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Fuel filter replacement, Ford Ranger. The fuel pump switch, sometimes called the inertia switch, which shuts off fuel to the engine in the event of a collision, affords a simple and convenient means by which fuel pressure can be relieved before servicing fuel injection components. The inertia switch is located near the passenger side kick panel on the firewall. Unplug the inertia switch electrical connector. Start the engine and allow it to run until it stops. This should take only a few seconds. Loosen the cable clamp nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Secure the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Position the front end of the vehicle higher than the rear to prevent fuel siphoning. The inline fuel filter is mounted inside the left frame rail. Position a drain pan underneath the fuel filter to catch any residual fuel that may leak out. Using a screwdriver to depress the safety lock tabs, disconnect the push-connect fittings from the filter. Remove the old filter from the bracket. Take note the direction of the fuel flow arrow on the filter. The new filter must be installed the same way. Also, observe the fitting sizes of the filter. They must match to the corresponding fuel lines. Install the new fuel filter into the bracket with the arrow pointing in the correct direction. Connect each fuel line quick connect fitting onto the filter stubs until the lines are fully seated. When you're finished working on the fuel system, plug the electrical connector back into the switch. If the inertia switch was popped or activated during this procedure, push the reset button on top of the switch. Fold back the carpeting panel to its original position, if needed. Connect the negative battery cable to the terminal and tighten the cable clamp nut securely. Turn the ignition switch to the on position and wait a few seconds to allow the fuel system to pressurize. Then start the engine and check for fuel leaks.